Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to get more FPS Roblox fix lag Roblox. Chapter 1. How to get more FPS Roblox fix lag Roblox adjusting shortcut. To start, right-click on the Roblox shortcut, select Properties. After that, in the Compatibility tab, check the box to disable full-screen optimizations. Now click on Change High DPI settings. After that, select Override High DPI scaling performed by checkbox. Confirm that application. Save these changes. Chapter 2. How to get more FPS Roblox fix lag Roblox from graphics. To get started, open Start and click on Settings. Then in the system, click on the display. Here, click on Graphics. At the top, click Browse to add an app. You are going to go to the path where the Roblox executable is located. Click Add. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you have done this, click on Options. You're going to check the High Performance option. Click Save. Chapter 3. How to get more FPS Roblox fix lag Roblox from Task Manager. To begin, right-click on Start. Select Task Manager. Now right-click on Roblox and click on Go to Details. Once here, right-click on the process and in the Set Priority line choose High. Confirm this by clicking Change Priority. Chapter 4. How to get more FPS Roblox fix lag Roblox in the game. First, access Roblox and open any game. Here, click on the top left icon and go to the Settings tab. After that, you can set the manual option in the Graphics Mode field. When doing this, in Graphics Quality, you can use the bar to adjust the desired level. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.